solve this differential equation. Okay, x into y square x minus y square into x whole into dx minus y into 1 minus x square whole into dy equal to 0. You have to solve this differential equation. So in between two terms, if plus or minus sign will be there, then either you can shift the first term on right hand side or you can shift the second term on right hand side. तो मैं वही करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ अभी. We can write this equation as, or better you take x common, तो फिर और easy हो जाएगा. This will be 1 minus y square dx. This is equal to y into 1 minus x square dy. After that इक्वेशन को मतलब वो सेकेंड टर्म को शिफ्ट करने के बाद थोड़ा सा हिंट मिल गया कि यहाँ पे वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड यूज कर सकता है, राइट. सो लेट अस अप्लाई वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड, दैट इज x by 1 minus x square dx. This is equal to y by, we can write 1 minus y square dy. That is x by 1 minus x into 1 plus x dx. This is equal to y by 1 minus y into 1 plus y dy. इसके बाद देखो वेरिएबल सेपरेट कर लिया, अभी तो सॉल्व करना है. तो सॉल्व तो खुद के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कितना प्रैक्टिस किया कितना नहीं किया, कैसे अभी इसको सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है. सो x by 1 minus x 1 plus x, can I write it as half of 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole into dx, because if you take LCM same term will get, what about numerator 1 plus x minus 1 plus x, that means x plus x twice x आएगा, लेकिन न्यूमरेटर में तो ओनली x है, इसीलिए मैं बाहर में हाफ ले लिया. प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है, तो फिर ऐसा आइडिया मिलेगा. सिमिलरली the same process we can apply on right hand side also. So that is half into 1 by 1 minus y minus 1 by 1 plus y whole into dy. So now we can cancel half from both sides. Cancel half from both sides, as well as you take minus common from both sides. तो फिर ये हो जाएगा 1 by 1 plus x dx minus 1 by 1 minus x dx. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus y dy minus 1 by 1 minus y dy. क्यों किया मैं? जस्ट फॉर सिंप्लीफिकेशन ओनली मैं माइनस कॉमन ले लिया. अभी बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. इंटीग्रेशन dx by x, वी ऑल नो log mod x. सो इंटीग्रेशन dx by 1 plus x कैन बी रिटन एज log of 1 plus x. वेरिएबल के आगे अगर माइनस साइन होगा तो फिर से माइनस एक आएगा, माइनस माइनस दिस विल बिकम प्लस. log of 1 minus x, this is equal to log of 1 plus y plus log of 1 minus y. And after that don't forget to write the arbitrary constant, that is c. So better you write log c, because since the other terms in terms of log, so that's why I have written the constant also in terms of log only. So log of 1 plus x into 1 minus x हो जाएगा 1 minus x square. ये टर्म को भी, ये दो टर्म को भी अगर राइट हैंड साइड में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके आओ तो क्या हो जाएगा, by 1 minus y square. This is equal to log c. Now we can eliminate log from both sides. So the equation is, or the solution is 1 minus x square is equal to, we can write c into 1 minus y square, which is the required solution of this differential equation. Okay, so this is the solution. So since here the x and y coordinates are not given, so that means the solution will be general solution only, not particular solution, right? So the next question, is again this is also one differential equation. You have to solve this differential equation, but in this case x and y coordinates are given. So ये तो बाद में use होगा. First of all try to solve this differential equation. dy by 1 plus y square plus e to the power x by 1 plus x whole square dx equal to 0. Also we can write e to the power twice x can be written as e power x whole square. Okay, then you can do one thing, take integration on both side. Okay, यहाँ पे भी integration लेना है. So we know integration dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा tan inverse of y plus what about the second term? How can we integrate the second term? In case of second term, we can use the substitution method or not. Put e power x equal to t. We know differentiation of e power x is e power x only. So e power x dx, this is equal to dt. तो हो जाएगा क्या ये dt by 1 plus t square. This is equal to c. Don't write 0 because we are integrating on both side. Actually मैं क्या किया, second term को left hand side में जो second term है वो मैं right hand side में shift नहीं किया. अगर शिफ्ट करता तो बात एक ही होता, कांस्टेंट तो आएगा ही ना आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन. सो डोंट राइट 0 सिंस वी आर इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, राइट? ओके, सो tan inverse of y this plus again dt by 1 plus t square can be written as what? Tan inverse of t, this is equal to c. Tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of, now replace this t by e power x. This is equal to c. Now the question is, when y equal to 1 and x equal to 0, find the solutions. Now put y coordinate equal to 1, that is tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of e to the power 0. This is equal to c na. Tan inverse of 1 we all know pi by 4 because tan 45 degree is 1. E to the power 0 is also 1. So here also pi by 4 because tan pi by 4 is tan inverse of 1. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 means 2 pi by 4. That means c is equal to pi by 2. Therefore equation 1 implies tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x. This is equal to pi by 2, which is the required solution of this differential equation. Since this equation does not contain any arbitrary constant, so that means we can say that it is a particular solution. Of course it is a particular solution because here x and y coordinates are given. Okay, so like this type of models you have to solve for the coming weekend exam. Okay, thank you for today.